everybody. So today we are living in a contact management hell. So what do I mean is, if you look at your phone books today, half of the contacts are old. You never find the right contact that you want to. When you try to call somebody, you always call the wrong number and things like that, right? And then you try to Google for it, and it's a big mess today. So we are trying to fundamentally solve this problem. We are not about one app or anything like that, so I'm not going to demo our app here or anything like that. What I'm going to tell you is what we are trying to do. We are in a very early stage right now, and what I'm looking for is feedback from you, support from you as we move forward. So the concept is called My Contact ID, and our vision is basically to come up with a kind of a connected world where just think for a second that if your phone book was already was automatically updated. So if I know somebody, that person automatically has my phone number in their phone book, right? And if I change my phone number, it automatically changes in their phone. So even 10 years down the road, 15 years down the road, all that person has to do is go to my entry in the phone book, click on the phone and call me, right? So that's our eventual goal. We believe that, when we meet somebody, we know them, right? So the contact information should also be there automatically all the time. The second is, we believe that when we connect with businesses today, we give them email addresses, phone numbers, and then they start spamming us or sending emails and content that maybe we want it or maybe we don't, right? How do we stop that? So that is also something that Contact ID is going to solve. It's going to say that, okay, if you don't want to receive anything from a business, you just stop them. That's how we're going to keep quiet.
Janta, can we please have some concentration? At least silence, please. Thanks.
Thank you. And the third thing is, in an event like this, we meet so many people. Outside, we meet so many people. How can we just, when we meet, just exchange contact information right there, okay? And then ensure that the information is there whenever in the future we want to reach each other, right? So we are trying to solve all these things, and we want to do it in a technologically independent thing. So not that, if I have an iPhone, you have an iPhone, then it will work, right? We want to do it completely independently of that. So the solution works the whole idea is very simple. So what happens is, from your phone, you maintain your own contact information and it goes to a cloud in one separate place and it is stored under one single ID. Okay? And from that ID, you are basically then authorizing others like your bank, your friends, family, colleagues or businesses to access whatever information you give. And all of this happens over the phone. The opposite is also true. So for example, if you open an account in a bank, with our solution, what happens is the bank automatically pushes the contact information to your phone. So you never have to manually store information. So for example, if you open an account in HDFC Bank, then it's up to HDFC to manage that information. They will send you the right number directly in your phone. So when you try to call HDFC, you will automatically reach the right number. So the ID is a number. The advantage of the number is that when you don't have any technology, you can at least go with the number. But the number can be encoded in a QR code, it can be encoded or exchanged in an NFC, you can put it in your email signature, you can tweet it, and so on. This is just a small demo of how the app works. So I'm just showing you our Android app that we have. So in the bottom left, you'll see the app. And what happens is there's a place to put your contact ID, or somebody's contact ID with whom you want to connect. And you just enter the number and say add. Okay. Yeah, here. So you just enter the number, you say connect. And what happens is, this is the native phone book of the Android. And what happens is, when here, for example, I'm adding Tasty Khana, right? It's a business. So the Tasty Khana contact information comes directly in my phone book. I have not typed Tasty Khana, I have not typed any of the numbers, I have not typed any of the labels, and so on and so forth. Okay. So that's it. So one thing we're launching today is we now enable you to, if you have a Twitter ID, especially good for geeks like us, right? If you have a Twitter ID, you can use that as an alias for your contact ID. So you can just put the Twitter ID and you're connected to that person. And we are in a private beta right now, but if you go to m.mycid.in, you can right now register. We are going to keep it open for a couple of days. And we are happy to announce that we crossed 1,000 connections today. looking for feedback. So if you have anything, or if you are a developer, we have an open API that you can build good applications on top of this. So please get in touch with me. Thanks.
Thank you. Thanks, Adam.